अस्सलामुअलैकुम, माय नेम इज़ ताहा हुसैन और हमारा ग्रुप नंबर 19 और हमारा टॉपिक है अज़्ल अरबा। अज़्ल अरबा, द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट सोर्स ऑफ इस्लामिक लॉ इज़ Quran. The Arabic word Quran derived from the root of qara, which means to read and recite. Quran is the holy book of Islam. Muslims believe that the Quran is the final revelations of Allah, and that is the literal word of Quran or God. Revealed to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Quran was written and preserved during the life of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and compiled soon after his death. The Quran consists of 114 surah chapter with over 6,000 ayat. However, the exact number of ayat is disputed due to different method of counting. And the next topic is qiyas. Uh, qiyas, and the qiyas is the fourth most important source of Islamic law. Qiyas is reasonable of analogy. In order to apply the qiyas the similar cases, the reason or cause of the Islam rule must be clear. For example, because the Quran clearly explains the reason of consumption of alcoholic is prohibited because it makes the user lose control of his action. An analogy can be drawn to drug which induce the same effect, but because the Quran does not especially state the reason why pork is prohibited, Muslim cannot justify banning another meat product with a similar cholesterol level, etc.